Hey guys, I hope you're well. Man, I have to record the prize giveaway video over again this evening, and I'll show you why. Sometimes this phone smears the videos, so hang in there, man. And in the meantime, I'm going to post a little something a little different, straight out of British Columbia, Canada. Okay, here's the smear job that happened. Here's an example. Okay, I'll re-record the prize giveaway video tonight. Sorry for the delay. I hear footsteps. Glitzy, what's going on, man? All right, guys. 73 of topsoil, and the Honda being a sign, I decided it was time to take off the block of rock, and I guess this is officially Blozo welcoming spring 2022 for you fellas.